Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for a jade plant in summer. Jade plants love bright, indirect light, especially during the summer. If your plant is indoors, place it near a window that gets plenty of light but avoids direct, intense afternoon sun, which can burn its leaves. If moving your jade outdoors, gradually acclimate it to the brighter conditions over a week or two to prevent shock. Watering correctly is crucial for your jade plant in summer. Feel the soil. When the top 1 to 2 inches are dry to the touch, it's time to water. Give it a good soak until water drains from the bottom, then empty any standing water from the saucer. This prevents root rot, a common problem. Remember, it's better to underwater slightly than to overwater. Jade plants are quite resilient, but they do have preferred temperature ranges for summer. Aim for temperatures between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. While they can tolerate some heat, try to protect them from prolonged exposure to temperatures above 85 degrees Fahrenheit, which can cause stress. Average household humidity is usually perfectly fine for these succulents, so no special misting is typically needed. During the summer growing season, you can fertilize your jade plant sparingly. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to 1/4 strength, applying it every 2 to 4 weeks. Always check your plant for pests like mealybugs or spider mites. If you spot any, address them promptly with an appropriate insecticidal soap or by wiping them off with rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.